The GVM LED light kits are available for reservation by students taking a video class above COM 130. There are 4 LED light kits available: the single, the double RGB, and the triple. Each kit has lights, stands, and power cords. If you'd like to run off of battery power, reserve batteries with your booking. To set up the stand, make sure the base is wide and the screws are tightened.
He's gonna send the angels. He's gonna send the angels. He's gonna send the angels.
Mount the light on the stand. Tighten the screw. If using the power cord, make sure it's connected all the way and flip the power switch to the right. To run on battery power, put 2 batteries in and flip the switch to the left.
He's gonna send the angels to take me to heaven.
Use the knobs on the back to adjust the brightness and hue. For the RGB lights, press the right knob to change between hue, saturation, and color temperature.
He's gonna send the angels.
Press Mode to change between the App, Slave, and Master settings. Scan the QR code on the bag or on the lights to download the GVM app. When on the app, use Guest Login and have Bluetooth turned on. On the app, you have total control on the hue, brightness, saturation, and more.